Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today we got a Jordan Adetunji. I don't know how you say his name, but this is the newest song he dropped. I want to do a video on it. Right when I heard it, I was like, bro, this sounds fire. Today we got a main preset, a recording preset, 4 harmony presets, and an ad-lib. If you guys want this, it'll be on my website inside of the description below. And this is what the original song sounds like. Hold on, I thought.
I've been watching, let's discuss this. You've been living up, your life can't be that great. You can't be happy, to be without me. Seeing you outside is getting painful. Remember when you used to scream my name, oh baby.
And then this is what it sounds like with me, without him, and this is the presets on.
I've been watching, let's discuss this. You've been living up your life, can't be that great, you can't be happy, to be without me. See you outside getting painful. Remember you used to scream my name, oh baby. I've been watching, let's discuss this. You've been living up your life, can't be that great. Outside getting painful. Remember you used to scream my name, oh baby. I bought some double VV.